In this video, I'm going to show you how to unlink Facebook from PUBG. Before we get started with the video, please don't forget to give this video a like, share, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to keep updated with our latest videos. To get started, the first thing that you'll need to do is to open Facebook on your device and sign in to your Facebook account. Once you're signed into your account, go ahead and head over to the menu section of Facebook by clicking on the menu button. In here, go ahead and scroll down and look for settings and privacy. Settings and privacy is a drop down area in this section which you can click on to be able to find the settings button. So go ahead and click on the settings button and that will take you to the settings page of Facebook. So just go ahead and click on that settings button, and in here go ahead and scroll down and look for the Your Activity section. Under the Your Activity section, you'll be able to find the apps and websites. So the apps and websites section has all of the information about the apps and websites that you have linked or connected to your Facebook account. So in this section, if you have connected your PUBG account with your Facebook account, you'll be able to find the PUBG application in this list. So just go ahead and click on that application. So for example, that we have the PUBG app in this section, just go ahead and click on that app, and in the middle of your screen you'll find that remove button. So click on that remove button and click on that remove to confirm the removal of that game from your list of apps and websites connected to your Facebook account. And that is how you can simply unlink PUBG from your Facebook account.